So this is the last section for this course, which is 8.1. I'm covering 8.1. This is not going to be on test number 4. However, it's going to be on the final exam. And there are only two objectives we have to learn. The first one is rewriting terms of a sequence from the nth term. So the definitions are given in the handout. A finite sequence is a sequence whose domain is the set of all first and positive integers. Infinite sequence is it has the infinite number of positive numbers. So the sequence is denoted by the symbol like this. This is called a sequence. It has terms like A1, A2, and it goes to AN, and it goes beyond that. Okay. This is called a sequence. Now, write the first 4 terms of the sequence defined by the nth term. So we are given nth term, which is an equals n squared plus 5. So we have to find the first 4 terms of the sequence. In that case, we have to plug in n equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So A1 is going to be 1 squared plus 5, which is going to be 6. A2, plug in 2 for n, which is going to be 9. Then 3 squared plus 5. And the last one, it depends how many terms we are looking for, you have to write. So this answer, the sequence, first 4 terms are 6, 9, 14, 21. The second example, we are given the nth term. This is called the nth term. 3 times. Again, we have to find the first 4 terms. So we have to plug in n equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's put 1 first. So it's going to be wherever n comes, you have to put that number. So it is going to be 3 times negative 1/3, which is going to be just negative 1. And that is our first term. Put n equals to 2, which is going to be 3 times 1 over 9, which is the answer is going to be 1/3. So the negative and positive is going to alternate. It's going to be negative 1 over 9. Then 8, 4. So the answers are negative 1, 1/3, negative 1 over 9, and last one is negative 1 over 27. And the next one is we are going to learn how to write the terms of each series, the sum of the series. So I'm going to number 9. So this sigma, this is this symbol for sum. So when I say this means adding, we have to add the terms. So we have to plug in k equals 1, 2, and 3 and add all of them. So it's going to be 3 times 1 plus 2, and 3. We have to go only up to 3. So that equals 3 minus 8 plus 6 minus 8 plus 9 minus 8. So the answer is going to be negative 6. Next problem, number 10. We have to find sigma r equal to 1 to 4. So we have to check what is the range. Here the range is from 1 to 3. Here the range is from 1 to 4. So we have to plug in I equal to 1, 2, 3. It starts from 1 and then we have to add. So I'm going to write 2i actually we don't have to write this. I'm not going to write this one, I'm just going to write the numbers. So it's going to be 2 times I, it's 1 square, plus 2 times 2 over 2 square, plus 2 times 3 over 3 square, plus 2 times 4 over 4 square. And use your calculator, you get 25 over 6. And the last couple of more problems we have j equal to 3 to 5. So we're going to start from 3 and go up to 5. So that's going to be negative 1 to the power 3 plus 1 times 3 times 3 plus negative 1 to the power 4 plus 1 times 3 times 4 plus negative 1 to the power 5 plus 1 times 3 times 5. So enter on your calculator. So it's going to be negative 1 to the power 4 times 9 plus negative 1 to the power 5 times 12 plus negative 1 to the power 6 times 15. So you will get 12 when you use your calculator. And the last problem for this section is going to be n equals to 1 to 10, 10. So if you look at that, I have the n here, but there's no n at the inside. So that means, oh, sorry, this 4. So we have to write 10 4 times. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is just going to be 4. So that is the end of this whole whole course. This is the last section for this course. Okay, so good luck.